Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design belt roller support, make all part or complete part and assembly. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and ensure for unit select in millimeter grams second. Okay, we start draw first part in here, base plate. So we start from front plane, right click and click sketch. Draw center line here to here and select line, draw like this, 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 this to this. Okay, set for dimension the length, total length in 128. So this to this center line in 128 millimeter. This line to this center line have distance in 38, like this, and this edge to this edge in 50 millimeter. Okay, like this. This edge have high in 4 millimeter, and this have thickness in 12 millimeter. This line in 12 millimeter. Click OK, and the last in here in 2 millimeter. Click OK. We just sketch a half of this part because after this we can to use mirror entities, and edit to mirror, select all line, left click and hold on your mouse. Mirror about, just click the center line. Click OK. Its first step is like this. It's so simple. After that we can to select feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction, ensure select in mid plane for symmetry part, and total for thickness in here in 54. Just input in here in 54 millimeter. Click OK, and don't forget each corner have fillets radius in 10. Select fillet in 10 millimeter. This corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner. Sorry, this corner. Click OK. In here have 4 hole diameter in 10. So we can to make hole which hole we short, and click here. Hole type, just click hole and standard ISO for example, and drill size. Size in diameter 10 millimeter and end condition in true all. Position, click here, just click 3D sketch and this center, this center, this center, and this center. Click OK and done, like this. We can check again in here at the feature for position in here. This center to the center of hole in 108 is correct, like this, and this center to the center in 34 millimeter, it's correct. Okay, after that we can to change for color in here, maybe in blue. Click OK. First part is finished. We can save this part, save as part 1. We can save part 1. Maybe part 1 the name is base plate, like this. Click save. Then we can to make another part. Click new here, click part and click OK. For background we can change in plain white, and we can draw this part. Here is bracket. Just start from right plane and click sketch. Draw line from this point. This, 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 and this. For the length this part in 39. It's 39, like this. And for thickness in 8 millimeter here. This in 4 millimeter. in 4 millimeter. Okay, like this. So for this line in 8 millimeter, yes. It's first part and click feature and just click extrude boss or base. Direction in mid plane and total width in 54, like this. Just input in 54 millimeter. Direction is mid plane and click OK. Don't forget select fillet this corner and this corner have radius in 10 millimeter, like this. So in here have holes diameter in 10, like this. Like before, click hole wizard and hole size in 10 through all position. Click 3D sketch this center and here this center. In here for dimension in 36 is incorrect because the distance correct in 34. Sorry, in here dimension in incorrect. Actually for distance this center in 34, like this. Okay, just okay, just click OK and done, like this. And we can to make scan this scans. Right click on this face and click scans. Draw center line from this midpoint to the top. This hole to this face have distance in 43 in here, 43 millimeter. So just within 43 millimeter and make the circle here diameter 10 for hole and outer radius in 14. So first diameter in 10 millimeter and this circle have radius in 14, so the diameter in 28 millimeter. Just select line again, draw this to this, and select line, draw this to this, and draw connect this point to this point, like this. Ensure this line, click Ctrl and this circle, click make tangent. This line, click Ctrl and click this circle, click make tangent, like this. Just click feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in blind, and for selected contour, click this sketch and this sketch. Reverse direction to here, thickness in 8 millimeter. Input in 8 millimeter, click OK. And we can click again, sketch 3, and click extrude boss. Click this circle like this sketch for max cylinder in here. But from you can change in offset because this thickness in 8, so input offset in 8 millimeter. Reverse direction in here, and for length in 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter, like this. Click OK and done. It's so simple. Don't forget in here have a fillet in here. Just click fillet. For example, I set in 10 millimeter for this edge and this edge. Click OK. And in here have fillet too. Just fillet. For example, I just set in 4 millimeter for radius this edge. Click OK. And last, we must to make a rib in here, thickness in 10 millimeter. So right click on right plane and click sketch, and fillet and draw from this point to this. Set for distance this to this point in 10 millimeter because in the center. So automatically this point to this face in 10 millimeter. Okay, like this. Okay, we can exit sketch first. We can check for first dimension in sketch 3. Okay. Okay, sorry. In here we can delete. It's incorrect because distance the center to this face in 43 millimeter. In 43 millimeter, click exit sketch and edit again sketch 4. Right click and click edit sketch in 10 millimeter. Automatically this point to this edge in 33. It's correct like this. Click feature to make rib and click rib. In here direction is correct but thickness in 6 millimeter. Click OK and done. Like this. It's so simple. We can save this part in here like this. We can save. Before save we can change this color, this part of bracket. Maybe in here this color. Click OK. Save this part. Save as. Save part 2. The name is bracket. Brackets like this. Click save. And we can click again new and click part. Click OK. For background, change in plain weight. We just make a bushing in here. In have same bushing, just we can just make one in here. So right click on right plane again and click sketch. This. Draw center line this to this and draw line here. Sorry, ensure this line, click make horizontal, click line again, this to this. Okay, click make coincident like this to make sketch like this and set for the length in here, the length in 20 millimeter. Just input in 20 millimeter. Then we can to see in here have outer diameter in 30. So this line to the center line diameter in 30, and in here the hole in 12. So this to the center line in 12 millimeter like this. Then in here have diameter in 20. So this to the center line in 20 millimeter like this. And here have thickness in 6. So this line have in 6 millimeter like this. After you make an input dimension like this, just click feature and click revolve boss or base. Axis of revolution automatically in this center line. Click OK. And done. Like this. It's part 3. The name is bushing. We can change for this color. Maybe in brown like this and click OK. Click save as part 3 bushing like this. Click save. Now we can to make another part. Click new and click part. Click OK. Background in plain white. We can make this part. The name is roller. So we start draw from front plane, maybe right click and click sketch and draw center line this to this and this like this. In here outer have diameter in 60. So this to this center line have distance or diameter in 60 millimeter like this. and start draw central line, draw line here to here, yeah, to make roller like this and this. Ensure this and this point, click Ctrl and click make vertical, and this line and this line, click Ctrl and click make equal. Then we can to set for dimension, this line to this center line have width in 10 millimeter like this, and here in 30, this line in 30 millimeter from the center line like this, and this line width in 7 like this. Then set for dimension, first edge in here have diameter in 20, so this line to this center line input in 20 millimeter like this, and this point and this center line in here, this edge have diameter in 30, so input here in 30 millimeter, and here this edge diameter in 52, so this point and this center line input in 52 millimeter like this. So ensure this point and this point, click make horizontal and connect this point to this point like this. After that, after we input all dimension like this, appropriate this drawing dimension, we can select mirror entities. In entities mirror, left click and hold, select all line in here, and mirror about, just click this center line. Click OK. And we can select feature, click revolve boss or base, and for axis revolution, click this center line. Click OK, and then we can see from section view like this for this roller. Okay, it's so simple to make this roller. We can save. Before save, we can change this color of roller, maybe in yellow, and click OK. Save as, and part 4 is roller. Click save. Then we can make new, click part and click OK. Plan weight for background, and for last part in here is soft. Okay, just right click on right plane and click sketch. To make soft, make center line again, draw to this. The length of this part in 82 millimeter, and select line, draw this, and this. Ensure this point, click Ctrl, and this point, click make horizontal. This line, click Ctrl and click this line, click make equal. This line have line in 50 millimeter, and this automatically this line in 16 is correct, and here in 16, and okay. This have diameter in 10 millimeter, so this line to this center line diameter in 10 millimeter. This line to this center line have diameter in 12 millimeter here. 12 millimeter like this. Just click feature again and click revolve boss or base. Click yes. Automatically for axis revolution is line bar or center line in here. Click OK. And then we can change for this soft, this color, maybe in gray. Click OK. Save this part. Save as part 5 soft. Okay, like this. Click save. Now we just make all part because this bracket and this bracket have same dimension, and this bushing and this bushing have dimension. It just 5 type part of this belt roll support. After we make all part, we just to click new and click assembly. Click OK. And here we just have automatically part 1 to part 5. If here not appear, just click browse and you can see and select all the part, just click open. But in here the part 5 until part 1 until part 5, just select all. Is part 3. Oh, sorry, can insert part 1, we can input manually like this, and here part 4 and part 5, and don't forget the part 5 soft in here. We can change for the background in plain white like this, and for first part in here we can click for float, and in here for base plate we can click assembly and click mate standard. In here from here we can click this face and click front plane, just click coincident, click OK, and this face to right plane, just click coincident and just click OK. Okay, now in here have 2 bracket and 2 bushing, so we just to left click and hold, left click and click Control on your keyboard and copy like this. It's so simple. Bushing, click Control and left click, hold, and like this. It just copy of this bracket and this bushing. So we can to right click and we can rotate part like this, and just click mate again, this face and this face, click coincident and click OK, this face to this face, coincident, click OK, this face to this face, coincident and click OK, and we can to repeat for the way in here, this to this face, click coincident, click OK, this face to this face, coincident and click OK, this face to this face, coincident and click OK. Like this, it's so simple. Then in here we can do assembly in here, roller and bushing. So the way is simple in here. So this edge and this edge, just click make concentric and click OK, and this face, so this face, coincident and click OK. And here like before, this edge and this edge we can click concentric and click OK, this face to this face, coincident and just click OK. Now we can input in here for the shaft like before. In here this edge and this edge, just click concentric and click OK. Now we must make this shaft center of this roller. The way is simple. Just click mate and change in advanced. Click width and ensure for constraint you select in center. Width selection, first select this face and this face, and type selection, just click this face and select this face, just click OK. Now the roller is center, like this. It's so simple. Then click again standard math. For this, to this edge, just click concentric and click OK. And this face to this face, click coincident and click OK. And then click OK. In here, we can right click on this base plate and click fix, for example. Okay, I can rotate in here. In here, actually, for this hole, in here, you can to add maybe in bold, and you can to edit branches for in the wizards before the make part. But in here, I follow for make this parts is simple hole to make exercise to build roller support like this. We can to make an image explode view in here in configuration manager, and right click on in here and click new explode view. For first step, you can select this base plate. Direction is X, Y, Z, maybe in Y in here like this. Click done, and second step here until here. Click done. This bracket so here until click done, and click this off until here and click done. Click this off, sorry, this bracket, this brushing like this and click done. And the last is save. Can draw like tick and click done. For the roller, I think it's not to be adjust because it's center like this, and click OK. Now we have to explode view. We can to animate with right click, sorry, in here, click here and right click, click animate collapse like this, and we can right click and animate explode. Okay, we can so animate collapse again. Okay, it's simple parts to make an all part and assembly build roller support in SolidWorks. It's perfect for beginner exercise to learning SolidWorks. Thank you for watching Lian video. I apologize if there any mistake of error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching Lian video. See you in next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.